Understanding the idiom, spinning tops. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into an interesting English phrase, spinning tops. We'll explore its meanings and how you can use it in your daily conversations. So, let's get the top spinning. Spinning tops are toys that have been enjoyed for centuries. They are designed to be spun on an axis, balanced on a point. This literal action is where the idiom derives from. It's fascinating to watch a top spin, but have you ever wondered how this translates into a phrase used in English? Let's find out. In English, spinning tops can be used figuratively to describe a situation where someone or something is in constant motion or activity, but not making any significant progress. It's like being busy but not productive. It can also refer to a state of confusion, where things are moving so fast that it's hard to keep track. Let's look at how to use spinning tops in sentences. The team has been like spinning tops all week, but we haven't met any of our targets. With all these tasks at hand, I feel like a spinning top, not knowing where to start. And that's a wrap on spinning tops. I hope this video has clarified the phrase for you and that you can now use it confidently in your conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey. Keep spinning forward, and you'll make progress in no time. See you in our next video.